Anglo-Saxon period 450 to 1066. This age started the 5th century when the Jutes, Angles and Saxons came to England from Germany, defeated the English tribe and started their reign. It ended in 1066 with the Norman conquest. The important facts which influenced the literature of this period are Christianization of the pagan tribe began in England. In the 7th century, Christian authorities established monasteries where written literature began. Whatever had existed as literature before that time was oral. Now here, Alfred the Great, who reigned over England from 871 to 1901, encouraged education and supervised the compilation of the Anglo-Saxon chronicles. तो look after all these things, Alfred the Great, जिनका time duration क्या था 1871 to 1901. Next, major literary works of this period are Beowulf. So Beowulf is very famous work in this time. That is, the earliest epic in English was written in period the Wanderer, the Seafarer, the Husband Message, and the Wife's Lament are among the remarkable literary period of age. The Anglo-Saxon chronicles written in the age is the earliest prose of English literature. So again, the earliest Anglo-Saxon chronicle written in this age is earliest prose of the English literature. Now the next, the main literary feature of this age, most of the literary works are anonymous. Paganism dominates the literary spirit of the time, though Christianity is also traceable. A strong belief is fate is reflected. Evil is symbolized by monsters. Romantic love is absent. Attitude to women is respectful. Sea adventures, savagery, and heroic activities are honored. Use of metaphor and less similes is practice of the time. Alliteration is used as a chief ornamental device as all alterative syllables are stressed. Canning, compound word instead of single word, are widely used. Here are some examples. Railroad means sea, loaf giver means the for king, life house matlab body, and soul destroyer for monster. So these are the canning, or we can say compound single word was used in that time. Verse lines do not have equal number of syllables. Syllables in one line vary from 6 to 14. Now, and rhyme is ignored. Now here we will see the Middle English period, that is very important for our examination, that is 1066 to 1500. This period started the Norman conquest in 1066 and ended at the close of the 15th century, and there are two shorter age within this period. The time from 1066 to 1340